Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are cooking suji or rava khaman dhokla. You can also call it as steamed semolina cake. These dhoklas are not only delicious but they are healthy too, as they are made of semolina, which is cream of wheat. You can see that how delicious and tempting it is looking. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week, and hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Now let's check the ingredients to make suji khaman dhokla or steamed semolina cake. For cooking semolina or suji dhokla or khaman, we have taken around 1.5 cup of suji in a bowl. We have also taken salt as per our taste. We are using Himalayan salt. You can use any salt of your choice. Around half teaspoon of citric acid, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 green chilies which we have chopped, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. We are also adding half a cup of butter or green peas and around 3/4 cup of thick yogurt or curd. Now we are using a whisk to mix everything into this suji. First we will be adding yogurt, adding sugar, salt, citric acid. We will be adding the baking soda in the last. First we will be mixing everything well. Mix the green peas as well. Start mixing it. Add a cup of water. Now we have mixed everything well. So our suji or semolina will absorb some water and become thick. So we will be keeping this mixture for around 15 to 20 minutes aside. It's been 20 minutes since we are resting of our suji dhokla mix. Now we will be adding around 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Mix it well. We have already coated our pan with oil. Now we will be adding baking soda. Now mix it well and make sure that it starts fermenting. So as you can see, as we added baking soda, it starts fermented. The key to making a good khaman is, as soon as it starts fermenting, you need to add it immediately to the pan and put it directly on the microwave. So it started fermenting. Now I am adding it to the pan. We have added our mix to the pan. Now cover it with the plastic wrap, which is microwave safe. Now put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can check it with a knife. If still the semolina mix is remaining, then you can put it for 1 more minute. We are putting it for 5 minutes in microwave. Now we have taken it out of the microwave, and as we can see, with the use of a knife, It's not sticking. Knife is clean. That means our dhokla are cooked. Now we have to keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes to cool it down. So you can see Suji Khaman dhokla has been cooked very well and it really looks fluffy and soft. Now we'll start preparing the tempering for it. For the tempering, we have split 4 green chilies, some curry leaves. We have heated around 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now add a pinch of asafoetida. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once mustard seeds flutter, add the curry leaves. Add the green chilies. Stir it well. Roast the green chilies for a minute. Once green chilies are roasted, add half a cup of water. Add half teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of sugar. Stir it well and let it come to a boil. Now our khaman dhokla have cooled down. Now we can cut it in the square pieces. Now take them out one by one in a plate. Now we have arranged our khaman dhoklas in a plate. You can see how fluffy and soft it looks. Now we'll be topping it up with our tempering that we have prepared. Now it is already boiling. The reason for adding water is it will help in spreading the tempering evenly on the khaman dhokla. Some people don't add water, but if you add water, it will allow to go all the spices and tempering inside the khaman dhokla and it will taste really nice and tasty. Now khaman dhokla is ready. You can top it up with some grated coconut and some cilantro leaves. Now our Suji Khaman dhokla is ready and you can enjoy it with your favorite green chutney or sauce or tamarind chutney. Enjoy Suji Khaman dhokla with your family and friends. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies for new recipes every week. And like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.